This video belongs to relaxingend channel, so all credits goes to him. So guys, finally. So without any delay, let's unbox Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Inside the box, we get SIM injector tool, some manuals, and charging cable. Sold charger separately. Phone looks similar to previous generation, but there is big changes inside, like new upgraded 8 Plus Gen 2 processor, 200 megapixel main camera, and 120 Hz AMOLED display. And don't forget this S Pen, useful for note-taking and other things, but mostly useless in real-life usage. Official leather case by Samsung for S23 Ultra. Samsung or Apple, which one is best? Let me know in the comments. Let's do some quick camera test. You can check the time easily with 10x zoom. Subscribe if you don't, just press that red button, no matter what. Razer Kishi V2, Universal Mobile Gaming Controller for Android. Now let's do some gaming. Fortnite, 60 FPS with epic graphics setting. Gameplay was smooth, but it's give me only 48 FPS, for some reason. Now it suddenly started running at 60 FPS, but experience was very smooth. Call of Duty Mobile. Let's play this game highest setting possible. New map, Nuketown, China.
Targets in sight. Contact with enemy.
Recon ready for EMP systems ready.
Targets in sight.
Chopper gunner is UAV.
No, ко мне more.
Deploy chopper gunner.
Targets in sight.
Heads up. Bring it up, squad.
Contact with enemy.
I hope you guys enjoy the video. Thanks for watching.